Namaste, viewers. It's Thursday morning, March 27, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. The Indian benchmarks, Nifty 50 and Sensex, drowned in a sea of red on March 26, halting a 7-day winning streak amid broad-based selling across the market. Benchmark Indian equity indices ended the seventh day of winning streak to settle in the red on Wednesday, led by profit booking across the counters. The Sensex opened on a strong note, however, selling pressure across sectors dragged the index down in the red. Similarly, the NSE Nifty 50 initially posted a marginal uptick, but later reversed course and slipped below the crucial 23,500 mark. At close, the Sensex was down 729 points or 0.93% at 77,289, and the Nifty was down 182 points or 0.77% at 23,487. The current market consolidation is driven by domestic selling in the broader market, March end closing pressures, and upcoming global events like the April 2 tariff deadline and the RBI policy. Despite a strong 7-day rally, this seems like a natural pause to an overbought phase rather than a reaction to any global uncertainty. Still, there are a host of positives to be taken from the March, such as a weaker dollar index, rupee appreciation, and reduced FII outflows. While uncertainty regarding tariffs is keeping investors on edge currently, there does not seem any significant disruption in India's economy or markets. Among the broader markets, the Nifty Mid Cap 100 and the Nifty Small Cap 100 indices settled with losses of 0.62% and 1.07% respectively. Small caps have entered a relatively attractive zone supported by strong growth prospects. However, mid caps remain expensive, requiring a selective approach. Among sectors, Nifty Auto up almost the entire session, paired losses to close flat. Rest of the market remain under pressure with all 12 other sectoral indices in the red. Nifty Bank, PSU Bank, Oil and Gas, and Pharma bore the brunt, each tumbling over 1%, while Nifty IT slipped 0.98%. Losses in FMCG, energy, infra, and metal were more subdued, but still weighed on the sentiment. Trent, IndusInd Bank, Hero MotoCorp, Grasim, and Bharti Airtel were the top gainers on the Nifty, whereas NTPC, Tech Mahindra, BPCL, Cipla, and Bajaj Finance were the major drags on the Nifty. Shares of Siemens Limited gained as much as 7% after the company announced that the National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT, approved the company's demerger, paving the way for Siemens Energy India Limited to operate as a separate entity. As part of the restructuring, Siemens shareholders will receive one share of Siemens Energy India for each Siemens Limited share they hold as of the record date set for April 7, 2025. Food delivery majors Zomato and Swiggy fell up to 4% after Bank of America Securities report. International brokerage BOFA Securities downgraded the shares of Zomato to neutral from its early buy rating. Analysts, however, handed Swiggy a double downgrade to underperform from buy. Just a day after a 5% fall, IndusInd Bank shares closed over 3% after it was reported that the crisis-hit private lender is likely to tap two large global recruitment firms, Egon Zehnder and Korn Ferry, to identify candidates for key positions, including CEO. Stocks to watch today: Wipro, BSC, JB Chemicals, Max Financial, Bharat Forge, Sterlite Tech, NBCC, Torrent Power, UPL, TVS Supply Chain Solutions, Timken India, India Hotel Company, Restaurant Brands Asia, IRM Energy, Ashok Leyland, Vedanta, NHPC, MSTC, Bank of India, Aditya Birla Capital, Macro Tech Developers, Bandhan Bank, HDFC Bank, Hindustan Unilever, and Oracle Financial Services Software will be in focus on March 27. What now for today? Technically, the trend looks bearish with a negative crossover in the RSI 14 on the hourly time frame. However, additionally, on the daily chart, Nifty formed a red candle indicating weakness. Moreover, The index has broken its 100-day simple moving average, placed near 23,500, which will now serve as an immediate hurdle for Nifty, followed by 23,800. On the downside, 100 days exponential moving average support is placed at 23,390, while the 75-day MA is positioned near 23,250, acting as key support levels for the index. Due to the FNO expiry, short-term volatility expected, so traders are advised to remain cautious. In the US overnight, US stocks ended lower as IT stocks, the bellwether sector, took a massive hit on fears of tariff wars to continue from next week. S&P 500 declined 1.12%. The Nasdaq sank 2%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.31% to 42,455 points. Brent crude is currently trading at $74.06 a barrel. Gold is rupees 88,100 per 10 grams. And silver is rupees 99,730 per kilo. And that's the wrap for today, my dear viewers. And if you got value from this, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. You can contact me at st@st-money.com for further information. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.